These two platforms are going to revolutionize your business because you're going to save a ton of money since they can replace almost every single subscription service you're paying currently, as well as they're designed for people with ADHD. So the two platforms are Xperiencify and xTiles. Xperiencify is going to be your all-in-one course builder, email, website, market funneling, text messaging even. It has so many different things. xTiles is going to be essentially your Notion x Claude manifesto. It is incredible. We're going to dive very briefly through both of these. I'm going to tell you how to use them, how to get access to them, and then also some more fun things at the end of the video. So Xperiencify is a gamified course builder, but it is so much more than that. And the best part is that when you're going to hear me talk about all these different things you get out of this for only $1,500 for your lifetime access, you're going to question why you have been paying for your emails, why you've been paying for your Kajabi, for your Calendly, for basically everything in general, because this covers it all. One-time payment for life. I cannot emphasize how crazy that offer is. And if you book it through my affiliate link, which I will have, I will be 100% down to do a one-on-one 30-minute call, because it can be a little confusing at the start because it's a lot of information. So what is in Xperiencify? Xperiencify, of course, is the gamified platform for courses. It means if you have an ADHD audience, they are actually going to complete the course. The incredible part about the course is that you can record your videos for the course, upload them into Xperiencify, and then it will create your course for you using your videos. Absolutely bonkers. It takes so much less time to create a course now. All you have to do is blab to the camera, just like what I'm doing with you right now. And you know you're really good at blabbing to the camera. I do have a mini free course that I will have as well linked there, so you can take a quick little course, see what it's like to create a course with Xperiencify in basically 5 hours. It took me 5 hours to create that whole thing. That is how incredible it is. The other things Xperiencify has is something called Go Plus. So Go Plus is basically everything you will ever need for your business. It replaces everything. I'm not lying. So it replaces your newsletter provider because you can send unlimited emails. It also replaces StanStore. You can have your digital products on there, and you don't have to pay for their extra upselling. Yeah, because you can upsell yourself using the funnels, using all of the different tools in Go Plus. You also can replace your Kajabi because it has the Xperiencify course builder, plus there's communities inside of Xperiencify you can use. It can replace ManyChat, which means, yes, you can make automations when a person comments on Instagram with a specific word, you can send them something. I know, you don't have to pay for it anymore. It also replaces Calendly. You can add your calendar to it. You can create different forms where people can sign up for you for a meeting if you want that. It syncs to all your calendars. Again, incredible. It replaces Calendly. It also can replace Buffer or whatever service you use to schedule your content if you schedule your content. It also has unlimited websites. You can create as many websites as you want as long as you have a domain. It also, you can send e-signable contracts through this. Like, again, incredible. It replaces basically everything. And there's also AI integrations in a lot of this, so it can take a lot of the effort out of your brain. It depends on what your goals are, but if your goal is to save money and save no subscriptions for basically the rest of your life, Xperiencify is where it's at. Now, xTiles. xTiles is basically Notion, but created for ADHD people. I honestly have not been able to figure out Notion. It's so confusing for me. When I started using xTiles, I was able to pick it up instantly. It made so much sense. It was so much fun. And I've been using it for almost a full year now and still using it. And if that's not a testament to it's designed for ADHD, I don't know what that is. Now, I could talk all day about xTiles, but what I want to show you is how it integrates with Claude, because AI is really fantastic. You can ask Claude anything and it will create it for you in xTiles. For example, with this VidCon Anaheim 2026, let's go. It was so fun. You can actually ask Claude to make this for you. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So in my Claude on my computer, All I asked was like, hey there, I would like you to add all this stuff into xTiles. And now I'm going to send it. And now I'm going to refresh really quick, and it looks like it already added my personal schedule that I asked it to do. So I have a schedule that now I can really quick look at on my phone. I can pull it up and be like, oh, where do I want to be right now? Oh, I have this from 2 to 4. I have this from 6 to 9. I need to make sure that today on Thursday I record a podcast with the incredible Rebecca Rogers. She is fabulous. That was so fun. I'm assuming I'm recording this like in the future or in the past, and that is in the future. But now it is published and it is the not future. You can actually integrate it with your Gmail. It can pull out all your emails so you don't have to read your emails. You can just be like, oh, what's super important for me to know? What do I need to follow up on? What is basically a summary of the different things to do? It is utterly fantastic. There is a whole masterclass that xTiles has done on integrating Claude with your xTiles. So if you want to watch that after you get xTiles, again, use my affiliate link for no other reason except for supporting me. And in general, send me an email at annika@NutriMindLab.com if you want to connect with me wherever you are. Plus, I do run free ADHD content creator calls. They're called the ADHD Creator Connect calls for different levels of how many followers you have, because every experience is different, right? So if you have 0 to 100K followers, you'll get onto that call. If you have 100K plus followers, you get into that call. Again, they are free because it's something that I needed when I was feeling really alienated, isolated, not motivated at all. And it has truly been the reason why I'm able to stay consistent, why I'm able to get so many different amazing opportunities, why I can just do what we're doing and not get burned out. So get in those calls. I know that's so many links, but it's going to be so great. I'm excited to meet you. I hope this was helpful. And I don't know what else I was going to say, but I hope you just have a great day. So see you later.